Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, it's a favorite girl Adoba Na Philippines. If you're new here, please do want to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with your friends. And if you're a family member, you guys should know that I love you guys so much. You guys are wonderful. Since last weekend, yeah, my tooth the thing starts paining me like never before. Yeah, the thing is paining me like it's really paining me. So I want to go and receive some treatments. So guys, yesterday I received a message, excuse me, from my dentist. So say good afternoon. Just a reminder, Imam Oyemenu Chidimma, we have appointment tomorrow, 3 p.m. for cleaning. So as if they knew that I'm even undergoing a pain. Though I said that if I come back at night, I'll message them to book an appointment for me today. But fortunately, they want to remind me of the checkup, so I'll be going today for checkup. So my appointment is 3 p.m. So now it's 2, so I'll be going by 2:30. So I'll take you guys along. So guys, wish me well. Though. Seriously, the pain is not here. Like my problem is not going to the hospital. You understand? But my problem is the pain. Like the pain that comes from this thing. The cleaning alone is pain, and I have some. I guess they will do some treatments. So and the pain is too much. Seriously, the pain is like the last time I did it was hell. Like I just prayed. I say I will not come again, but. You see me, though it's more than a year. Yeah, it's more than a year I did the feeling. The last feeling I did was a year ago. Yeah. So and they've been calling me to come for checkup. Because they say checkup is 6 months. Every 6 months you come for cleaning. So anytime they send me appointment, I will just neglect it. Even if they call me, I will say. Make them rebook it. So they've been rebooking. But some of this one, I say, even if they know code, I'll just go. You understand? So that's it. It's not good to skip your treatment. Seriously, I didn't have been going every like 6 months. All those times when they call me, might come for cleaning, all those things. I didn't know all this thing will not develop. It will not be that this bad. But we Africans now, we don't like going to hospital for checkup. We would like when the the pain is much that when we go to hospital. But it's good to go for checkup. Seriously, it's good. And even that I've been going for checkup. You understand? Maybe 3 months. 3 months is okay. I go for checkup. Even if there is nothing wrong, I will go for checkup. Since it's not that far, I will just go for checkup. At least they will notice anything that is before the thing develops to the worst stage. So I don't notice it at the early stage. So, but this one. So guys, I'm going to see you guys.
cleaning, ma'am, right?
Yeah. You examine it now.
Yeah. I'm gonna check if there are any cavities that we have to
Yeah.
go. I'm gonna do the cleaning first, ma'am. Right, slowly. Okay. Hold it. So this is the other glue because since it's pink already, we put temporary glue for this and it has medication also. So you observe it, so if it's still component, you have to do the medication here for example. And this is only off, so it will harden within 2 to 3 hours. So don't eat yet hard food right now because it's still soft. Okay, it will be very very hard for until tomorrow. So you can just lick here on this side only, soft foods only for the meantime. Kailangan ako.
I thought you may give me 20% discount. So guys, I'll be ending this vlog here. Yes, I came back very late and was very tired. I just took my bed and I decided to end this vlog. So this will be my savior for tonight though. The doctor said I shouldn't eat hot food for 2 to 3 days, and me, I don't like eating cold food. I cannot eat food that is not hot. Tea, all those things, they must be hot before I eat it. So for now, I gave them all the money I have. I didn't come back with any change. That's why I didn't buy fruits while coming back. So, but tomorrow I'll just go and buy fruits because that will be my food for the next 2 days. I'll just buy fruits, blend it, and that'll be what I'll be eating. So for this night, those will be my savior. I'll just lick it and drink those Lucozade Boost. So guys, I know you guys have missed me so much. For 2 weeks now, I've not posted anything. Guys, I've been very busy. Like very busy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I've been busy. My birthday preparation came and go. All those things, everything. My exams. Even our exam is on Saturday. Midterm exam for second wave. So I've been busy. So but I decided to do this vlog today because those things have been disturbing me like and this is my first dental care since I started a YouTube, so I decided to put it in my channel. So thank you guys, my family member. You guys are so wonderful. Like I've been seeing updates. You guys have been liking my videos and sharing my videos with your friends and many views. Yeah, that have not been up to date like posting. So, but you guys are trying, still watching my videos. So, guys, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you guys. Seriously. I'm very hungry, seriously. I'm very hungry. And even I know I would have like eat a lot before going, but I don't know that this what the results will be. So, so guys, thank God I'm not feeling the pains again. But before I went to hospital, you see the pains like even when they were doing the procedure, too much pain, too much pain. But even when they were doing the procedure, but now I'm not feeling any pain. I'm not feeling any pain, guys. I'm not feeling any pain. Though it's quite expensive. It's expensive. Like they charged me 18,000 pesos. God, 18,000 pesos. I don't even know. Too much, yeah. No, I thank God I'm not feeling pain. That's the most important thing. Now do my normal activities, but before God, even headache, everything, the thing to take is very bad. Seriously, it's very bad. And this is my third oral care in this country. It's going to up to they've charged me up to 50,000 peso. My oral care in this country. So these two, I just pray this will be the last. Like I'll try and maintain the go for checkup. Anytime I feel like a small pain, I'll try and go for checkup. Seriously, so that all this damage will not come up again. Seriously, seriously, I'm tired. I hope this will be the end. I hope this will be the end of this toothache. Seriously, it's really costing me a lot. Like it's never taking a lot. Oh, thank God. Guys, thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. Guys, continue to support your girl. Like I'm happy guys. I'm happy. So thank you guys. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.